So in this video, I want to share with you how you can block people so that they can't call you, email you, or send you a text message. Then after I show you how to do those three activities, I'm going to show you how you can also unblock those individuals so that they can call you, email you, and or send you a text message. So let's start with number one. Let's start with email. So I'm going to go to my email. So in my email, here's a guy named Matt at Obsessed Woodworking. I click on him. Now, if I don't want Matt to be able to email me anymore, click on this little unusual where they hide it, but click on the little arrow button down there. And then you can see, even though this is for primarily reply all, forward, or trash, but look at the very bottom, block the contact. So when I click on block the contact, notice it comes up with you will not receive phone calls, messages, email, or FaceTime from blocked contacts. So I'm going to hit block contact. So I just blocked him. Now you'll notice up top it shows this message is from a blocked sender. And if I hit the back button, you'll see there he is there, Matt at Obsessed Woodworking. And it shows the blocked message, which basically indicates that this message came from someone that I blocked. That's email. Let's go to text message. Here's text messages. Now let's say I want to block Megan. So I click on Megan, I look at her message. Now I click on her name up top, and then I scroll down to the bottom, block contact. Block contact, again, it says the same information. You will not receive phone calls, messages, email, or FaceTime from this blocked contact. Now in my contact for her, I have her email address, I have her phone number, etc., etc. So I can block her, and she will not be able to call me. Now let's look at phone calls. So I go to my phone calls. Now in my call log, you can see, let's use the one Greg Jones. Now you don't click on their names or the phone number because that's basically just going to call them back. You click on the I. So Greg Jones, I click on the I for information. It basically brings up his contact information, whether he's in my contacts or not. And again, if I scroll to the very bottom, there is block contact. Click on block contact. You need that alert to pop up and you need to block the contact. And now if I go to the top, you'll see that Greg Jones is blocked. And if I go back to the call log, you can see that Greg Jones is in my call log and it's indicating that this call came from a blocked contact. So I've showed you how to block a phone call, a text message, and an email message. Now, how do you unblock people that you have blocked? Now, I could just simply go back to the call log, or I could simply go back to text messaging, or I can go back to the email messaging. But there's another way to do this, and that is to go to settings. And in settings, I can go to mail, messages, or calls. Let's try this with just messages. So I need to go to the message app, go to the apps, go down and go to the message app. You can also do this from the mail app. I'm going to do it from messages. And in messages, I scroll down. I'm looking for blocked. It's right here somewhere. Where are you? Blocked contacts. Click on that, and those 20 blocked contacts, including Greg Jones, who I blocked earlier from a phone call, Megan Joelle, who I blocked from an email, but also 20 unknowns. And in the unknowns, there's Matt at Obsessed Woodworking. So actually, I can block all of those people who I previously blocked from the message app. So I can click on Matt, and you can see he's blocked, and go to the bottom, unblock Matt. Now, I blocked him because he sent me an email I didn't want anymore, and he wasn't responding to unsubscribe or stop messaging me. But I just unblocked him. So now he can send me emails again. But if I go back up to the top and go back, you can see I've also blocked Greg Jones. He's a blocked contact because I blocked him for phone calls. So I click on his name. You can see it's blocked. Again, scroll down the bottom. I can unblock this contact. And I can also go to Megan, who I blocked earlier from sending me, I think, text messages. Let's go look at the mail app and see what's under the mail app. Go to apps, go down to mail, click on mail, and look for blocked contacts. There's blocked sender options, and there's blocked. Go to block, and there's Megan. So really, anytime you go to mail, messages, or calls, or phone, and you go to block, it's going to bring you back to the blocked contacts. And there's Megan again. Click on Megan, There's her contact card, and I again scroll the bottom, and I got unblocked this contact. So now, if I go back and I look at calls, you can see Greg is no longer blocked. If I go look at text messages, you can see Megan is no longer blocked. And if I go to mail, there's Matt at Obsessed Woodwork, and he's no longer blocked. You want to block people who are bothering you and are not responding to your requests, such as unsubscribe, etc., etc. You want to block them. Furthermore, if you block someone who you've decided, oh my golly, maybe I shouldn't have that person blocked now, then you can go back to mail, messages, or phone, look for blocked contacts, and unblock them. Hey, I'm Teddy, and this is Techno for Seniors. My purpose is to help you overcome the risks and fears of using technology, and I hope this video about blocking and unblocking is helpful for you.